Barack Yahweh family to say that he is maybe glad and rejoiced in it. Now, with that being said, check this out. Local authority. No SNAP benefits to be issued in November as government shutdown stretches on.
Invest in markets through, let's say, crypto. So we look at that as the next wave of opportunity for BlackRock as we start focusing, moving away from traditional financial assets by repotting them in a digital manner, and then having people stay in that digital ecosystem. Our Bitcoin IBIT is now over $100 billion.
$100 billion, I know, so from nothing, not that long ago.
And 2 years ago, zero.
Yeah.
It's not about if our market's going up or down. Is there a bubble in crypto, or is there a bubble in technology? It's about being in the market throughout the cycle. But I do believe we are going to have to invest these huge sums of money. There is certainly a skyrocketing amount of capital that's being put to work. That gives me confidence that we're going to win.
What's the next evolution of the internet and the internet age we live in?
Artificial intelligence is going to change everything. It'll have a bigger impact on us than the internet, than phones, mobile computing, or mobile networking, wide area networking. It's just going to dwarf everything. And it's harder to learn, so it's harder to implement, which means it's going to change a lot of things and not everybody's going to be able to adapt. And so it's going to be really scary, but also interesting, and create a lot of opportunities as we go forward.
But every stock, every bond, every currency, every commodity, every piece of art, every private business, every piece of real estate will eventually be a token on a blockchain, an entry on a ledger, permanent and immutable. We will have truth instead of trust, and we will save over $7 trillion a year. 6 to 8% of global GDP is wasted by the friction of the trust industry that's necessary when you have dual entry accounting. With triple entry accounting, which is what a blockchain is, we get rid of all of that friction. It's a beautiful future.
View it, and whether you think that those who use the word bubble are correct in that usage.
Well, there's a bubble in investing, but are we inferring a bubble means a bad thing?
Embracing an unyielding enthusiasm for the Bitcoin realm, Fink confidently predicts that explosive growth is looming on the horizon, as BlackRock and many other crypto giants are doing just that. Fink reassures, it's the fastest pace of adoption of any investable asset in all of human history. By the end of 2025, there will be 1.1 billion active crypto wallets. The pace of growth is hard to comprehend, and it will be the fastest accumulation of wealth we have ever seen. This is the conclusion of a career's worth of research. And every single chart and piece of research leads to the same conclusion. Liquidity drives everything, and crypto will be the best performing asset of them all.
I did want to just get your take on the broader AI picture. I mean, the amount of money that is being committed by OpenAI, for example, is
back and investing in power grids and power supplies. It means employing a lot of people, too, to build this out. So we are talking $1.5 trillion, we estimate, just on data centers and power and all that. But if you see the rapid need in advance, I could say at BlackRock, the amount of information that we are trying to generate ourselves and the speed in which we want to generate, we're spending more and more on it, and we're getting good results on it. I believe every major company is going to have to be spending more and more on this. I think some of the investments that we've seen so far is not on AI, it's more on cloud and the power of the cloud.